Well, welcome back to Blast from the Past Farming. Today is January 12th, and we're got probably another 6 inches of snow. We had about 6 inches of wet snow Monday and Tuesday, and today we're getting another probably 10 inches of snow. I'll turn the camera around real. It's blowing pretty good out there. It's supposed to get down to 15 degrees below zero for the next few nights. In a couple of days, not even get above zero. This afternoon, the wind's supposed to get worse, toward 40 to 50 mile an hour. Right now it's blowing 32 mile an hour. Had a couple of gusts of winds around 37, but let's see how it goes. I only have about 10 minutes of chores morning and night. That's kind of nice. I'll catch up with you a little bit later. Now it's starting to blow a little more. I'm betting it's around 40 mile an hour now. Just like back in the good old days. Except for now I only got 10 minutes of chores. Back then we milked 26 cows and had calves and a few steers and pigs and chickens back when I was a kid. A lot more chores. Had to clean the dairy barn out, once a day, clean the gutters out. Now the wind's really picking up. Gonna be fun doing chores tonight and tomorrow morning with 45 mile an hour winds. I wear ski goggles and then a full face stocking cap, which I lengthened out on the front and tucks down inside my sweatshirt a little bit, and that way it keeps my air nice and warm that I breathe. Works nice. Yeah, still can see the pine trees. Now she's a blowing. It's got to be blowing over 40, 45 mile an hour right now. There is times you can't even see that machine shed or that old garage. Have to pay attention to it a little bit and try to record it. Look at her blow. About a 37, 38 mile an hour wind right now, according to my weather station. Wow. Yeah, half an hour from now I'll go out and do chores. Do them a little early, since with this blowing snow it's going to get darker earlier too. So my transformers on the ground down there, and before the snowbank was to the bottom of those utility poles, See if I can zoom in. It was, or not to the bottom, utility boxes, excuse me. It was taller than the bottom of those utility boxes. And then all of a sudden there was about 10 inches of that transformer sticking out. And now it's getting all covered up again. Kind of like shifting sands. Sure glad I got ski goggles to go out and do chores with. Makes a world of difference. Here she comes. Now I can't even see the pasture fence, which is only about 300 feet away. Oops, there we go. Gotta stay focused on what I'm filming. Yeah, look at that. You know, the winds keep picking up. Over 45-mile-an-hour winds now. Going to be interesting in the morning. Got my chores done. Only takes about 7.5 minutes. Takes longer to get dressed and undressed. But go feed some canned cat food to the 2 cats in the shop. Make sure the furnace is working in there. Go dump a bucket of corn to the 3 fat calves. They had to crawl over about a 3-foot snowbank to get out of the cattle shed. And then go scoop 3 grain scoops of water out of the water fountain to make sure it's not froze, that the valve itself ain't froze, and then come back to the house. 7.5 minutes. So for the next 3.5 days, it's going to be basically the same thing. Maybe not as much wind, but 15 below zero. 40 to 50 below wind chills at times, I guess. This brings me back to my youth when we lived up in northern Iowa, where it'd go over a week without getting above zero. Yeah, the wife left Wednesday at noon to go visit her oldest brother out in Phoenix. So she's enjoying the nice warm weather. So she's going to be gone for about 10 days. To play it safe in this kind of weather, I just text my daughter, who lives like 4 miles from here, and let her know when I go out to do chores and when I get back in the house, just to play it safe. Sometimes you got to do that when you're by yourself in this nasty crap. Well, here's a little bit of Iowa weather anyhow. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Please subscribe. Catch you later. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Well, now it's 6 o'clock tonight, and about a half an hour ago I got back from a rescue mission. A friend of mine got stuck in along the edge of the road, one back tire in the ditch. He's a first responder, and there's an accident. And when you get up to east, you're up to where the church was. That's where the gravel road's on the north side of the church, and when the wind blows, there's no way you're getting through that. But anyhow, he got himself unstuck and ended up backing one back tire into the ditch, so I had to go up and push snow and rescue him, get him pulled out so he can go back home. But yeah, she's the blowing. Drifts are really getting big. A snow drift on this corner of the garage, coming across the yard. I got stuck in that with the 756 and loader. The snow went right over the wide front, and I managed to get out. Had to push my way through that one to go do my rescue mission. Done a lot of them over the years. That's where that old Henniker cab comes in nice and handy. Sure beats no cab or a heat houser, that's for sure. Well, now I'll say thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Said that on a little earlier, but I decided to do this video yet. Thanks a lot. Bye.